Good morning, grade 5 students.
Good morning, teachers.
Okay, you need to sit down.
Take your chair.
So before we're going to go deep into our discussion, we're going to have a first activity called Guess the Word. Okay, so inside this envelope, there's the letters that we're going to form the word that we're going to discuss furthermore. I will group you into 3 groups. So, group 1. So from Shaira to Ting Ting is the group 2, then the rest is the group 3. Inside this envelope, there's a corresponding word that we're going to place it in front. So in each group will going to have one initiative to place it in front here inside this wall. Okay, this is group 1. So I'll give you 1 minute to huddle your bag. Group 8. So please huddle. Choose one representative to place it in front. Yes. Place the place in front. Okay, group 1. What word that you want? More. Okay, group 2. What is this? Rocky. And group 3. What?
Unitary.
Okay, very good. So teacher Christine, can you do another activity for them?
Okay, before we proceed to our next activity, everyone please participate to our new activity for today's morning. So please the place, please, on the back, please praise on the front, please say, you are talking. Please on the front so that our proceed to our next activity. So if I say 1, 2, 3, eyes on me, please don't move. 1, 2, eyes on you. Okay. 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. 1, 2, eyes on you. Okay, that's it. Okay, we proceed to our next activity. So, as you can see, we have I'm going to show you an object here. So, na ay wala ka, no, diba? So, I want you to observe and analyze what is written on the pen, and raise your hand if you have any idea idea, or else I will call someone. Okay, please observe. Okay, do you want to volunteer? Bianca. So in that, what did you observe in the prompt?
In the BS feature, it only contains one can, and while the BN, it contains 3 cans.
Okay, that's very well said, Ate Bianca. So Ate Bianca said that BN has 3 cans here, while BS in math, there's only one can here. Did you see that the differentiate between BN and BN, right?
Yes.
So BN has 3 cans, which is BNA, 2, BN, 2C, 1A, 1B, and 1C. While the BN okay, so in BN has 3 sections. Yes. Divided between A, B, to C. Then ang B is value 1. So ang BN ganyan ito ka section. But compared to B, it's 1 section. Diba? Dito na ito ang sanarian lang diba? Even nga ka na ang BN kay only 3 half section, but they are the same number of students. Okay. So, okay, this is our new topic for Catholic Liza.
Let's proceed to our So in our previous grade level, this topic is what we will discuss already. It's read what is for. Can you read it?
It is one of the tools used by composers to help them organize or arrange their compositions.
Okay, think, can you order? Explain what is for? What is for? Your own.
What teacher can I do? Puro ka sa music teacher.
Can it be? Next, music section.
So, firstly, I acknowledge that I'm not sure how to be still remember that we say.
Next is music. Can you read what is music?
A small collection of notes that captures the essence or idea of the lyrics.
Okay, and can you, in your own words, can you explain what is music in music?
What is the visual collection of notes to capture the essence of the music? I think my idea here is furniture. One teacher, no, if I firmly influences notes.
Right. Next is notes. So can you read what is note?
Distinct items to the whole that have the most basic sound, building blocks or
Corrine, can you explain more about notes in your own language?
Okay. Notes teacher, it is not of the music teacher.
Yes. Notes is part of the music that we're going to construct it. This tree is a part of the we will make music. So let's proceed to our main topic. Please. Again, can you stand up?
Now we turn.
Yes, I am.
These are the songs that when we are a song with a verse or 80 form, also known as 88 song or one part song.
Good. So, this is an example of a unitary song. So can you sing Mary Had a Little Lamb? So can you please stand up? Children, can you stand up? And get ready, one, ready, sing!
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, his fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that children went, every child and camel went, that little lamb was sure to go. Mary had a little lamb, one day and one day. Mama turned the skull one day and broke that teacher's rule. But what a time they didn't have, but what a time they didn't have that day at school.
So, in your previous grade level, the teacher are discussing nila. So, can you explain more? Mayi, can you explain more what is unitary? Okay, very good. So, unitary is a repeated or that only one half verse. So, next is strophic. Can you please explain what is strophic?
There are songs from one part of it, the next repeated. These are songs that the same kind of music is also used in other stanzas. The melody is repeated for each verses of one verse.
Okay, so this song is an example of a strophic song titled Old Man Donald on the Farm. So, can you sing with me? Okay, ready? Ready? Sing. So, Old Man Donald had a farm,
E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-o. With a oink oink here and a oink oink there, here oink there oink everywhere oink oink. All MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-o. And on that farm he had a dog,
Yes. Conflict is there are two words or more challenge. You're going to have a lyrics that are going back and forth. So, for example, here, oh my God, farm, E-I-E-I-O. Okay, this part, you see that here, everywhere that learns. Okay, teacher Christine, can you do another activity for that?
You have that class? Yes! Okay, for your word of the word is unitary and specific. No, and unitary has one only word, while the stroking, as you can see, that they are more than 3 words. Yeah, more than. Okay, then all of them have a word. So, for that, we have the word 1, 2, 3, 4. More than. Okay. So, 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. 1, 2, 3, eyes on you. Okay, let's proceed to another activity. So, I have here a written song, and I want to describe. Certain song rather. So, I have a written song here, and I want you to describe whether this song is represent unitary or stroking song. For example, Bahay Bubo. Unitary. So, can you sing Ate Marie? Bahay Bubo, langit munti, ang halaman doon ay sari-sari. And then, yun na siya ibutang dili. Okay, teacher. Then, yun na siya i-explain yun. Ano, stroking siya. Okay, you understand? Yes. Okay, I will tell someone or go there. Okay, Daniela? Yan din. Teacher na natin si Old MacDonald. Okay, wait natin na. Wait. Usahan tayo ito. Amazing Grace. Okay, ating tayo ito. Wait. Ako sa English, usahan ito. Nawan siya din. Yung nabautan na race din. Ano siya, ha? Awang.
It's a worship song.
Okay, ating Daniela, asa na siya nagdalong is military or snorting?
Military.
Okay, why is dropping ating kante?
Wednesday.
Okay, very good.
Amazing.
Okay, Ate Mermel.
Tropic na siya. Amazing. Tropic mo talaga ba? Tropic na siya. Ang nasa vlog. Amazing.
Okay, a song Ate Mermel. Very good. Okay.
Okay. No, teacher, no.
Okay, Ate Mermel, asan na siya? Military or snorting? Military. Ano naman natin?
Pwede na sa
Okay. Mary has a job as one verse. Okay. Okay. Ate, sorry. Nicole.
Mary had a magic.
Okay. Manisha teacher. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Strophe. Arthur.
Arthur. Happy birthday. Okay, how naman unitary ate? Because only one verse is repeated. Okay, very good. What's on here? Another hand. I'm sorry. Sorry. Please say it wrong. Why did you do something that's not related to our topic? I'm sorry. Okay. What song is this? Ako ay may logo. Si Ate Rai, please.
Teacher. Sa langit, di ko na nakita, pumutok na palang, sayang ako.
So, asan na nabilang Ate Karen?
Pili ng lobo
Sa Yulita.
sa pagkain.
Why man Ate Karen?
Pili ang nakarin.
Why my logo had only one verse? So, last one was known here.
Bianca the teacher.
Bianca. Maganda na natin teacher.
Oh, McDonald. Until what?
Wait.
Until the end daw. Oh, McDonald. Until end. Until mouse.
Thank you, Ate. Bianca. So, why the law is strictly? Okay, more than all McDonald has more than one verse.
And repeated lyrics.
Okay, very good, Ate Corinne. Manang iputasan ng dalita.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. For the last activity, I would like to everyone to participate in this because with the last activity. I will group you into two groups. Ate Mermel to Ate Apostolo for group 1, and the rest in group 2. Derek. And group 1 will be
Sign in. I go.
and the group 2 will be assigned
Bahay Kubo.
Bahay Hugo. Inyong lang ganda ko sa tubangan. And okay. Muna I give you 5 minutes to go collaborate with your neighbors. Okay, circle. Okay, this is okay, are you done?
Yes, we're ready.
Okay, group 1 will be the first presenter. Okay, group 1 are represented as unitary. Can you please? Girl, please stand up. 1, 2, 3, go. Ay, may loko, lumipas sa langit, di ko na makita, tumulog na pala, sayang ang pera ko, binili ng loko, sa pagkain sana, nabusog pa ako. Okay, very good. Down. So, naman yung nabantayan sa ako ay grupo. Okay, natin 100. There's only 1 word. Okay. Okay, ano silang group?
Please stand up.
Ting-ting, stand up. Ting-ting, stand up. Okay, I will the one who will stop. Okay.
1, 2, ready, sing.
Ay sari-sari, singkamas at talong, sigarilyas at mani, sitaw, bataw, patani, pundol, patula, ugot, kalabasan, at saka mayroon pang labanos, mustasa, sibuyas, kamatis, bawang at luya. Sa paligid-ligid ay puno ng hinga.
Okay. So, sit down. So, in giving you a grade or score, okay, 50% excellent performance, that's saying likely, pictures, lyrics, tone, harmony, structures, effectively conveying its message and activity. 45 is very good performance, but some may have minor flaws or areas for improvement. For these true lyrics don't have harmony, structure, good performance, the song likely some of those trends, but may also have several where they came from. 35 where performance, while the song may have the same rhythmic qualities, it also likely has significant weaknesses or areas where improvement is needed. 30 bad performance that not executed well. In group 1, I'll give them 80 points. Everybody stop.
Okay, group 2.
In group 2, I'll give them also 50 points.
Okay, before we end our class today, These are very high school. So what is trophy? There's a Okay. How about trophy? There's one part. And you did not gather.
One song.
One verse only.
Okay. Unitary noun is repeating verse and the trophy and on the three or more is verse. So now please stand up. Okay. Goodbye.